Alright, so I'm headed out on the excursion with the speedboat to go see the 4 islands. I did not know that you can stay on Koh Phi Phi Island. I thought it was just an island that you go to on a boat and visit. So I ended up staying here in Railay for 2 more nights, which I'm not mad about. It's beautiful here. But I would have skipped this excursion, and instead of staying 2 more nights here, I would have used that money to stay maybe 2 nights on Koh Phi Phi. But after I finish this excursion, I'll come back tomorrow, check out, then I'll go back to Koh Phi Phi to stay a couple of nights before I head to the next destination. Okay, so this is the boat we're getting on. Full boat.
Go down. I'm pray to God like a nun. I'm put that on my son. On go like 3, 2, 1. Don't smoke, I need my lungs. I stack and feed my funds. I'ma do this, have fun, ayy. I'm blasting, ayy. Don't matter, ayy. Can't match it, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Speed it up, 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 speed it up.
But somebody has a GoPro out here, and she's nice enough to let me use her footage. So here it is. Alright, so I'm here at Myna Beach on Koh Phi Phi Island, and as you can see, it's overcrowded. Bunch of tourists. You can't swim here. We only got a certain amount of time to take pictures. My flip-flops are the only one making this noise. Myna Beach is off of the movie The Beach with Leonardo DiCaprio. And ever since that movie came out when I was younger, this has been a dream of mine to come to. And it's a dream come true. I'm walking up on it. Alright, so we're boarding the boat, headed to the next spot. Actually, what boat am I on? Oh, I'm over here. I got on the wrong boat.
Let's go. No problem.
Now we're at Phi Phi Don and about to have lunch. So here's lunch.
This is the truth. Can't read today's news. Only a fool would have played by those rules. This is the truth. Drown out the noise.
This is our tour guide right here. All fun, a lot of fun.
Darkness to light, the night is bright.
Alright, so now we're pulling up on Bamboo Beach.
Bamboo Island.
Bamboo Island.
Yes.
Bamboo Island.
There was very big coral reef, a lot of fish. Okay? But we parked at the fish.
This is probably the nicest water that I've seen since I've been here. Absolutely beautiful.
Good day, mates. Welcome to Bamboo Island, where the wilds are as lively as a pub on a Friday night. The waves are lapping gently on the shore, and over yonder we've got a common Myna bird keeping an eye on the trash pit, ready to swoop in on any tasty morsel. But crikey, what's this? Out from the shadows emerges the magnificent Myna lizard on a hunt for the same scrumptious scraps. Well, strike me lucky. That Myna bird's not holding back, mates. With a squawk that could wake the dead, it swoops down like a bolt from the blue, giving that Myna lizard a bonzo whack right on the noggin.
Leave the lizard alone, man. Oh no, you ain't coming near me, brother. Don't be trying to eat me, brother. Dude, you're not camera shy, are you?
And there you have it, folks. A show down under, with the trash can as the arena and these critters giving it their all. It's a battle of the ages, but deep down, the monitor lizard just wants his moment in the spotlight, showing off for the camera like it's the next big star of Aussie Outback.
Yeah, Mr. Lizard here is not camera shy.
Fair dinkum, ain't nature a ripper?
So everybody's really beat, tired, been in the sun all day. Look at this guy. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, a freshwater shower will be great, and a mojito.
Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster.
All right, so we made it back to Railay. Ready for a shower, cool off. It's about to rain here, but this is probably my favorite place so far. Railay is definitely the most beautiful place here in Thailand so far that I've seen. I mean, look at this. Walking into here, you're greeted with this. It's absolutely amazing. So I'm here at Welcome Back Restaurant, and I'm going to try some mussels with tom yum and some rice noodles with seafood. Comes with calamari and shrimp.
As I savor this delicious meal, I can't help but feel grateful for the experiences we've shared today. From snorkeling in the vibrant underwater world to strolling along the iconic shores of Myna Bay, it's been an adventure I'll never forget. But our journey doesn't have to end here. If you're inspired to embark on your own island hopping escapade, support me by booking your tour through the link in the description with Viator. Trust me, it's an experience you don't want to miss. And remember, travel isn't just about the places we visit, it's about the moments we treasure and the memories we create. So join me in the next video as we continue our exploration of Koh Phi Phi Islands, because as I always say, travel is good for your soul. See you in the next video.